Welcome to Product Guide Hub. The best frame clamps is probably one of the most underappreciated tools in any woodworker's arsenal. These clamps are designed to hold your project's pieces together at perfect 90-degree angles, ensuring a strong, square, and professional finish. Whether you're a seasoned carpenter or a weekend warrior, the right frame clamps can make a world of difference in the quality and precision of your woodworking projects. Number 5. BESSEY VAS 23 plus 2K 23-foot strap clamp with 4 clips. This clamp draws the strap from both sides at the same time. This design ensures that the clamping pressure is distributed evenly. It helps to secure your projects with consistent force. The strap coiling mechanism keeps the strap neatly contained. This feature helps to prevent tangling and makes it easy to store. It keeps everything organized while you work. It includes 4 pivoting corner supports. These supports help to apply clamping pressure evenly. They ensure a secure and stable hold on your materials. The pressure pads pivot from 6 to 18 degrees. This allows for simple and secure clamping. This feature makes it easy to adjust and adapt to different angles. With its variable angle design, it offers flexibility. This allows the user to tackle a wide range of projects. It's a versatile tool for various applications. What we like. This clamp ensures even pressure distribution from both sides, guaranteeing a perfect finish. The strap coiling mechanism keeps everything tidy, making your workspace more efficient. If you're working on projects where precision and a clean workspace are essential, you should consider this. What people say. A good clamp for making boxes or drawers to hold right angle without much effort. This clamp works pretty much perfectly. The reel is a little tight but manageable. Very easy to fit and tighten around a frame and provides really precise clamping. Once you set the clamp, you can make any adjustments to each corner to get a perfect fit. For making boxes, this strap clamp is perfect and very effective. Number 4. POWERTEC 13-foot strap clamp for woodworking, 71017. This adjustable band clamp is perfect for various shapes. It provides a tight and secure clamping action. It's ideal for many projects. The clamp features quick-release levers for easy adjustments. The design allows for use with irregularly shaped items. This makes the work much easier. Use it for picture frames, cabinets, and drawers. It's also great for barrels and birdhouses. The possibilities are endless with this tool. The clamp is constructed with a durable plastic frame. It has non-marring clamping jaws and high-grade nylon webbing. This ensures it will last for a long time. The band is 1 inch wide and 13 feet long. The corner brackets are 1 to 1/4 inches. It's designed for both square and irregular shaped workpieces. What we like. This clamp features quick-release levers for fast adjustments, saving you valuable time. It's designed to handle square, round, and uniquely shaped workpieces with ease. If you're looking for a versatile and time-saving solution for your woodworking projects, this is the one. What people say. It was a delight to use. I was able to glue and set the entire box in a single go because the band clamp could be pre-sized, the gluing done, and then the clamp applied and tightened speedily and with one hand. This product makes the process far easier. You can also use it for clamping the box with the top section still attached. Provides plenty of clamping power and the strap provided is long enough for anything I would need it for. Number 3. HORUSDY band clamp for woodworking. This band clamp is a must-have tool for any woodworking enthusiast. It's designed to make your projects easier and more precise. You'll find it indispensable in your workshop. It's ideal for various shapes, including square, round, and irregular workpieces. Whether you're building a box, picture frame, or barrel, this tool has you covered. It's incredibly versatile. Use it for assembling picture frames, drawers, and chair frames. It's perfect for holding pieces together before gluing or fixing them. This will make your work much easier. The handle tightens a 4-meter-long woven canvas strap. This allows you to maintain the perfect tension for your project. It's simple and effective. The corner braces are removable for irregular shapes. This gives you even more flexibility in your projects. It's designed to adapt to your needs. What we like. This clamp is a must-have for any woodworking enthusiast, perfect for assembling picture frames, drawers, and more. The handle makes tension adjustment simple and effective. If you like working on different shapes and sizes, this is a great choice. What people say. The easy installation eliminates struggle and frustration with aligning mitered corners. The thread handle is perfect, great grip and controls tension on the belt slowly, which allows the user to adjust the frame joints. I bought these for a speaker cabinet build project. They made the final product much more square since they balance two dimensions at once. This band clamp did an amazing job of clamping picture frames I glued together. All four corners were joined perfectly. Number 2. SEDY 13 feet band clamp for woodworking. This is a must-have tool for any woodworking project. It's a critical addition to your toolkit, making your work easier and more efficient. The clamp maintains tension with a 4-meter-long woven canvas strap. Using the handle, it ensures a secure and tight hold on your workpieces. This tool is ideal for square, round, and irregular-shaped workpieces. It can handle boxes, picture frames, barrels, and more. The corner braces can be easily removed. This feature allows it to be used on irregular-shaped objects, increasing its versatility. It's designed for various assembly tasks. This is perfect for assembling picture frames, drawers, chair frames, and other objects before gluing or fixing. What we like. This clamp maintains effective tension with a long woven canvas strap, ensuring a secure hold. The adaptable braces make it suitable for various shapes. If you need a reliable and versatile clamp for different projects, you should consider this. What people say. Used it to glue up a large octagon frame for an outdoor window. Corner pieces are easy to remove for that purpose. Very tight joints on something hand-cut on a miter box is the result. They are very easy to use once you figure out all the in and out of this product. You definitely want to start by having the handle screwed in all the way for adjustments purposes. After you have it around your item to be clamped, make sure you tighten the wing clamps that secure the strap very firmly. Do not over-tighten the adjustments handle too much or it might make the strap clamps slip, but they take a lot of pressure. After it tightens, it makes your project nice and square. Holding all corners with precise grip at 90-degree angle. Put in place, adjust the size turn till slightly tight or enough pressure to get the job done. Easy to use. Number 1. Jorgensen 88094 Self-Squaring Frame Clamp. This is the Jorgensen 88094 Self-Squaring Frame Clamp. It's designed to make your framing projects easier and more accurate. With this tool, you can achieve professional results with ease. The clamp can secure all four corners of a frame at once. This feature saves time and ensures a perfect square every time. It's a great choice for both professionals and DIY enthusiasts. It folds quickly and easily for compact storage. This design makes it convenient to store when not in use. It's a practical solution for any workshop or garage. This clamp handles a wide range of frame sizes. It can accommodate frames from 5 inches by 7 inches up to 26 inches by 30 inches. This versatility makes it suitable for various projects. The jaws are designed with recessed corners. This feature ensures a secure grip on the frame. It helps prevent slippage during the clamping process. The jaws are reversible for clamping small and large frames. This design adds to the tool's flexibility. It's a user-friendly feature that simplifies the clamping process. What we like. This clamp's self-squaring design ensures perfect alignment every time. It folds quickly for compact storage, saving space in your workshop. If you value precision and efficient storage, you should consider this. What people say. Ordered this to glue up picture frames. Falls under the category of curious to spend money to see if this works really well, rather than building such jig myself. After several uses, it does what it is supposed to do as long as the frames are not too deep and obviously fit into the clamp. It does square up the frame nicely and gives you plenty of sizes of frames to glue up. The prongs are reversible for smaller or bigger depth of frames, but for a very deep frame, it will only clamp the corners within the height of the prongs. This clamp works great and has the advantage of ensuring a square frame. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.